This is Naresh. I completed my BTech in 2014 and I have been teaching physics for 3 years. Today, let us solve some questions here. Some questions were given. Let us solve these questions. The first question, it is regarding to photoelectric effect. So, let us see the question. In a photoelectric effect, the work function of the metal is 3.5 electronic volts and electron can be stopped by applying the potential voltage of minus 12V. Then, so this is the question. Work function of a metal is given and the stopping potential also is given. Work function of the electron metal, work function of the metal is 3.5 electronic volts, and stopping potential, we all know that stopping potential is always in negative 1.2 volts. So then, so we know the equation with respect to these two terms is nothing but Einstein's photoelectric equation. That's Ek max is equal to h nu minus phi naught. This Ek max can be written as E V naught is equals to h nu minus phi naught. Here h nu is the energy of the photon energy. So according to this, h nu can be written as E V naught plus phi naught. This is the required equation. From this, V naught is equals to minus 1.2 volts. E V naught, that is energy, energy can be written as 1.2 E joules. So from this can be, h nu can be written as energy of the photon is equal to E V naught is nothing but 1.2 E plus phi naught is given electron volts plus phi naught is given as 3.5 electron volts. The final answer is 4.7 electron volts. The energy of the photon is, the energy of the incident photon is 4.7 electronic volts. So the A is the answer here. Let us go to second question. In second question, there is a graph here. The stopping potential versus frequency plot of the substance in shown in figure, the threshold frequency of the wavelength. Here let us take this graph. Here the stopping potential, the stopping frequency, threshold frequency is given as nu naught is 5 into 10 to the power 14 hertz. So we all know it is asked threshold wavelength. We all know that C is equals to f lambda or C is equals to nu lambda. Here nu can be written as nu naught, that is threshold frequency. From this, lambda is nothing but C by nu naught. So lambda can be written as lambda naught here, that means the threshold wavelength. C can be written as 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second divided by V naught, nu naught, 5 into 10 to the power 14. Yes, this times 0.6 times 0.6 into 10 to the power 14 minus 8, 14 minus 8, I think 7 or 6. So this can be written as angstroms. We all know that 1 angstrom is equals to 10 to the power minus 10 meters. So answer is B. So let us jump to third question. Third one. Which one of the following graphs represent the variation of maximum kinetic energy Ek of the emitted electrons with the frequency nu in photoelectric correctly? Let us write the photoelectric equation first. Regarding to this question, Ek max is equals to h nu minus phi naught. This is Einstein's photoelectric equation, and from this let us compare this one with y is equals to mx plus c, which is nothing but the equation of straight line. Equation of straight line. From this, y equals to Ek max. Let us take y equals to Ek max. M equals to, it's a slope actually, so slope is constant, and here m equals to h is also a constant, Planck constant, and x is equals to nu, that is nothing but nu is frequency, where it is the variable here, and c equals to minus phi naught. Phi naught is it is also constant for metal. Phi naught is nothing but work function, but it has taken as it is taken as minus phi naught. So from this, let us draw the graph of y is equals to mx plus c. So this is y and this is x. The graph will be, if suppose x is equals to 0, y equals to somewhere here. So the graph will be like this. Y equals to mx plus c. In the same manner, let us take Ek versus nu. But here the c is taken as, in this equation this is c, taken as minus phi naught. So the phi naught starts somewhere in negative axis. That means this is phi naught. So Ek equals to h nu minus phi naught. So this is the graph. This is the relation between Ek and nu. So the answer is D. So these are the 3 questions, friends. Thank you for this opportunity.